Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I want to talk to you about the most popular stocks under $25. Now, there are 41 stocks on this list. I'm going to make this video quick, short, and simple, and let's get started. So, as you can see on the screen here, I pulled up the most popular stocks under $25 on the Robinhood app for 2019. Now, this is a great list, and you're not going to miss out on any of these stocks, so watch it until the end of the video. So these are in order of popularity, and that is how many people actually own the stock in the Robinhood app. Now, with that said, it's not how many shares are owned or how much equity a person has. It's simply how many people have one share of this company. It doesn't track how many shares, just that they own it. Now, starting off, as you can see, we're going to start looking at the chart with name, symbol, price, today's high and low. Do not look at today's high and low because this video will be posting when you're not watching it. So that's not as important. Market cap, popularity, and then analyst rating. Now, we're going to get into this video really fast. I'm not going over anything specifically. I'm just going to say and name the companies, and you can do your own due diligence on this company if it's a great stock for you to buy or not. This is just the most popular on the Robinhood app. So, Ford, GE, AMD, Kronos Group, Fitbit, Aurora Cannabis, Snap, Chesapeake Energy, Plug Power, 22nd Century Group, Zynga, NIO, Groupon, SiriusXM, IQIYI, or L, ticker symbol IQ, Novavax, JD.com, Rite Aid, Sprint, Giron, Yamana Gold, JCPenney, Neptune Wellness, Glue Mobile, Insys Therapeutics, Cara Therapeutics, Transinterix, Under Armour, Enphase Energy, Pandora, Amarin, Corbis Pharmaceuticals, Nokia, Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence, Teva Pharmaceuticals, Vivint Solar, Bilibili, Cypress Semiconductor, SunPower, and Funko. Now, these are amongst the 25 most popular stocks right now in the Robinhood app. I just wanted to let you guys know, if you weren't too sure or checked out the collection in the Robinhood's tab. It's a great app, and if you're not on the Robinhood app yet and watching this video, there's a link below so that you can sign up for free and get a free share that could be worth a lot of money. I personally got my highest free share of Facebook at $179 at the time. Absolutely free. You can sell it after 3 days if you want, or you can hold on to it and get more money as it increases in value. I sold my share and was able to buy much more dividend-paying stocks with that money I was able to get through someone like you signing up with my link. Now, if you do that, you'll be able to start your journey to as much money as you want and save as much money as you want with zero commissions to trade. Now, no one's telling me to say this at the end. No one's telling me to promote this business or this app, but I believe it's a great company. I have literally made over $2,000 in the last year by simply investing $5 or $10 a day. It's really awesome, guys, so check it out if you haven't. Links below this video, and smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Alright guys, have a great day.